Hey YouTubers, it's me, Mustin07, coming at you once again through the power of Bandicam. And as you can see, we're back with Immersive Railroading. Now in this episode of the Immersive Railroading Mod Showcase series, I'm going to be showing you guys all the narrow and broad gauge locomotives. So as you can see, we're back where we left off. Unfortunately, I had to get rid of some of the standard gauge engines I had here because they were causing a bit of lag, and I don't want that. So yeah, I had to get rid of them. But without further ado, let's start the showcase. So first off, we got the Denver and Rio Grande Western K36. I'll just place it down. So as you can see, you know, here it is. It's quite nice. It's a nice little engine. That's all I have to really say about it. Oh, and its wheel arrangement. It appears that its wheel arrangement is a 2-8-2. Pretty cool. Now, next engine is DSP&P Mogul. Place it here along with its tender. It looks like it's got a 2-6-0 wheel arrangement. You can see it's a nice looking engine. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Next one that we have is this one, class BB70/70-4HM829 box cab. It's a box cab. It's pretty cool. I'll just go inside for you. It's quite nice on the inside. Unfortunately, you can't go in that door, but it looks pretty cool. It's nice in here. But yeah, that's all the narrow gauge engines. So now we're going to be focusing on the Brunel gauge engines. Because in immersive railroading, there's different gauges, which is pretty cool. I'll just take this for you. As you can see, this is Bernal. We also have, we got standard, you know, we got narrow, Minecraft, and model. Yeah, this right here is model. That's the model gauge, and this right here is the Minecraft gauge. Because, as you can see, I'll just place down these vanilla Minecraft rails. See, they're the same width. That's pretty neat. But yeah, there's only, now with Brunel, there's only two locomotives that are built right now, and as of now, there's not, with the default pack, there's no rolling stock, unfortunately, but you still have these two engines. It's pretty cool, as you can see. But yeah, it's really cool. Brunel, it's pretty neat. As you can see, it's enormous. Another thing that is really cool is that you can scale locomotives. Locomotives will scale themselves up to different gauges. For example, this engine right here, K36, it is built to go on narrow, but if I place it right here, as you can see, it scaled itself up. Now, as you can see, it's kind of practically enormous, as you can see. It is a behemoth of a train, and it's kind of got a bit of a comical size, so because what happens is it just scales it up. It's just programmed to scale it up and just make everything bigger so it's the exact same proportions, but that doesn't really work, because then you got ones that are just stupidly enormous like this. It's still pretty funny though, and it looks really cool. I just don't think it's cool that you can scale stuff up and down. That's pretty cool. And then you will have right here, model. And there's no equipment that's specifically set for model. And instead what you do is you can take a random locomotive. I'll just grab this K4 Pacific right here. Grab this K4 Pacific and just place it there. Okay, that's weird. The tender just disappeared. Let me just try and place it out. Okay, it doesn't. No, I'm sure it's okay. But you get it. It just scales itself down. I think it's really cute though. It's so tiny. Minecraft is the same way. There's no engines that are meant for that gauge. There's no engines that are set for that gauge. But you can place anything on it and it'll just scale itself down. Like this right here. And that's cool. I'd say that's about all I have to say for today's video. That's all the equipment in the default pack. Well, all the engines in the default pack of Immersive Railroading. There's still rolling stock and other things in Immersive Railroading that I'm going to cover in the future. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.